Nothing can be more frustrating than when you go to sit and watch one of your favorite programs on Showtime and you run into issues streaming it. Well, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix Showtime if it isn't working on your TCL TV. I'm going to show you a few really simple ways to try and solve your problem and get it back up and running again. Now the first one, it's the easiest one to try, and that is to unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the whole 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This is very different from turning your TV on and off with your remote control. This is what we call a hard reset of your TV. So make sure you do this method. If that doesn't work, then find your router that is giving you Wi-Fi and unplug the power to that for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. If that fixes your problem, great. If not, let's move on to the next method. And that would be to try deleting the Showtime app on your TV. Go to wherever the app store is located on your system and remove the app altogether. Then reinstall the Showtime app again. After you reinstall it, you might have to log back in with all your credentials, but hopefully this worked. If this doesn't work, then I would recommend buying an affordable Roku stick or Amazon Fire Stick and plug that into your TV and use it as your main streaming player. You'll be able to access Showtime that way. I'll put links in the description down below of where you can get one. Well, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.